All right. Uncross your legs for me. All right. So today we have Promise. Promise, where you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Promise from Nigeria. To get adjusted. What's bothering you today, Promise?
My back
Mm-hmm.
and my knees and also my toes.
Your toes?
And kind of my neck.
Kind of your neck?
Yeah.
How long you had these problems for, Promise?
A year and a half now.
A year and a half?
Yeah.
How do you feel so far?
Not good.
Not good? All right. Let's see if we can help. Any headaches, Promise? Anything like that?
No.
Dizziness?
No.
Just relax for me, okay? Put your palms up for me. Palms up. There we go. On you. There we go. Boom. Feet out like so. Boom. All right. Just relax. All right. Just relax. Let your head drop. Let your head drop.
Love that.
Let it drop. Let it drop. That's your phone? Neck's still pretty tight. So, let your head drop. Let your head drop. Let it drop just a little bit. There we go. There we go. Drop over here.
Love it.
Good. Let's have you stand up for me, Promise. And let me have you come over here and lay on your stomach, face down. Slide down for me just a little bit. Let your arms drop. Let your arms drop. There we go. So this is called flexion extraction. This is just tape move up and down. There we go. Just relax. Good. How we doing so far?
Good.
Good. All right. I want you to lift one leg up for me. Keep your leg straight. Keep it straight. Put it back down. Lift it up. There we go. Lift up the other one. Do it one more time. Lift up this leg. Keep it straight as much as you can. Boom. Lift up this leg. Put that one down. Okay. Just relax. Just relax. I got you. Keep this down. There we go. Thank you. Just relax. Let me have you uncross your legs. Lift this leg up again. Lift this one up again. All right. Let me have you lay on your side, face me.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Don't worry about that. That's all good. Bend this leg for me. Just relax. Just relax, just relax. Oh!
Yeah, good.
Long time, huh?
Yes. I needed that.
Other side.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, let's have you bend this leg. Hug yourself. Hug yourself. Bring your hip forward for me. Bring this. There we go. Bend straight. There we go.
Wait, yeah, so,
Came off.
no. Hold on. Hey.
All right. Just relax on me. On your back. Just relax. Just relax. There we go. Relax. Okay. Just relax. I got you. I got you. There we go. Sit on up. Swing your feet around for me. This way.
Yes.
No, this way.
Okay.
There you go. Just relax. I got you. There we go. All right. Stand up. How you feel?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
You swimming before you was playing golf. Now you swimming. You can get ready for all sports.
But yeah, that was good.
That's good?
Yeah.
Good.
I definitely feel a relief within me.
There we go.
Yeah.
All right, you good to go.
Thank you.
No problem.